Alright, well past sunset and the early evening has begun. October 15th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here along with John Yamada, 1837. Going to have the southbound on the way of the hot Q198, 51 of the 9th on the way with AG about to lead it. We'll check him out on the roll by as it just finished the meet of the S773 at Murray. See what we have for the honors for the roll by as we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. The hot Q198, 51 of the 9th. Alright, 1839. Q198 is here. Tier 4 to lead it. Let's check him out as we'll lean back and get him. Gate drop! Canada, all heading down from Market Yard in the home of Illinois. Last of the cover, the rear TPU. Autonomous inspection car as well. And not again! That C6M rebuild of the 3319! That's my next one already! How about that? That'll do it for the 198.51. That is fantastic. We'll do it for the 3164 and my next C6M rebuild of the 3319. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith.